Yo, what going on, traders? Got another Forex video for you guys. Got a nice trade, took a long, and I caught a news play. And I would say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I got over 127 subscribers. Got 5 subscribers in one day. I never had it to me before. So I want to say thank you guys, and thank you guys for watching. Yo, what up, traders? Got another Forex video for you. I only traded one pair today, Euro USD, and I took 2 trades. And I got a nasty win. I wish I'd have captured all this, but I was just targeting this supply zone. So I've changed strategies again. I think I'm gonna stick with this strategy, and this is the strategy I was using when I got back into Forex. If you look at my my past Forex videos, like the video 1 and 2, I was trading supply and demand, and I got away from that. I started trading breakouts and resistance and levels and stuff like that, and I was successful on it. I had some success, but I think like 2 weeks ago, I took like an $80 loss into my account. So I'm at like 70-60 bucks in my account, and I didn't like that loss. I didn't like the loss. I thought I had a good read. I thought I caught the breakout, but I didn't, and now I have a big loss. So I've been really paper trading and back testing this supply and demand strategy. I've been trying to master and learn. And so I'm back into the smart money concepts, and me trading like this, I do like trading this way because I can just let the price do what it do. I don't have to sit here and watch and see a breakout happen. I set alerts, let the breakout happen. I come to the chart and I look for certain patterns for me to get in now. I look for chart patterns now. But I've been trading playing rules. I'll show y'all that in other videos, but I'm just gonna break down this trade here. Let's go to the 4 hour. So before all this happened, I was looking at this right here before all this happened, right? On the 4 hour, we are bullish. Why we are bullish? Because we just broke this structure here. That little piece there broke this high, this structure here. That makes it bullish. And we're also making higher lows and higher highs, stuff like that, right? So even though that the price came down and broke this level here, just like a little breaker structure, we're still bullish, man. We're still bullish because this low here took out that high. So this low needs to go before we go bearish, really. But anyway, I have a couple of strategies that I use. I trade market structure. I trade breakup structures. I trade change of characters, stuff like that. And I look for certain patterns. And I have a Fibonacci tool. And this is another little confluence I do. I trade liquidity too. I got liquidity highs up there. And I trade tools like this too. This is like a Fibonacci tool, but all I have in here is the 50% zone here, which tells me that anything below the 50% zone is discounts. You want to look for buys. Any up here is premium. You want to look for sales. So I draw my fib. I look for supply areas that's above the 50%. And I look for a change of character type of structure or a breaker structure to take a sell. That's a signal for me. And it takes a while. It's not quick. It's not, you don't just hop into these trades. Now, if you know what you're looking for, you'll get a setup every day on the setup that I'm using, supply and demand trade. You'll get that every day. So I'm not going to break down too much. I'll make this like very, very short video. So just like I said, we're on a 4 hour here. Even though we broke this structure here. The downtrend, the uptrend is still intact because of this low down here in the 4 hour. And I drew this little demand zone off the 1 hour. Threw the demand zone off the 1 hour. This is really an order block, really. This is a 15-minute order block, but I'm gonna go ahead and draw a 1 hour order block too, just in case price want to get back there again. So all this is like buying, right? All this is buying. So I take trades off the 15-minute, and I was just waiting for a price to come. So I'm not looking for sales here because we're in a bullish trend on the 4 hour. So I'm not looking for sales. I'm looking for buys. And we're in the demand zone. And we're below a 50%. We're below the 50% from this high to this low. That's 50%. The move. I think I did like that. Yeah, something like that, but right there too. So anything below that 50% is confluence for me to look for longs. Now I just have to wait for a bullish structure to happen on the 15. Got a green candle. All right, so my first trade, I went long here. It's kind of premature, but I took 2 trades on this. Let me hide. I'll hide that one first. So first trade, I went long. I saw that we in the demand zone and we closed bullish. I just went long. It's kind of risky doing that because you really want to wait for a bullish structure to form. But I just went ahead and went long because I'm pretty good at drawing demand zones, and usually when I draw these demand zones, you get a bounce. It doesn't really break that much. It does to me, but I'm pretty good at drawing them. So anyway, I went long. So now I'm waiting for another structure to form too, which it did. Came down here, we have a low. Now I'm waiting for this high to get broke. So let me and then then that would be my second trade. So you see that? I'm waiting for this high to get broken, and I'm already in the trade. So yeah, and I caught a news play, man. I just basically caught a news play. It was consolidating for a long time. I never went red in this trade. This whole time I'm at work. Look at that, boom. Like, that's a nasty trade, man. I hit about 60 pips here. I took 32 pips here. No, I hit about 70 pips. That's 40 pips there on this trade, and that's 30 pips. That's about 70 pips that I hit on those 2 trades. But this whole time it was consolidating here. I was at work, wasn't even looking at this. See, but back in the day, I would be looking at this for a breakout. Then I'd be trying to catch this retest here and then play it like that. But the way I trade now, this smart money concepts, demand and supply trading, is easier to trade. So, yep, quick trade, nice win. Caught me a nice little news play. I wish I'd have held on to that, man. I'd have held on to that, man. Look at that, man. Look at that. What's that? 10 to 1s almost, 1,000 pips, $100, something like that. If I had a 0.01 lot, yeah. But, yep. Thank you guys for watching this Money Games.